Children, welcome to your grammar class. In our last two classes, we have learned about subject and predicate. Let's take an example to revise it. The table is made of wood. In this sentence, we are talking about the table, so it is subject. Is made of wood tells us something about the table, so it is predicate. We have seen that subject mostly comes before predicate, but sometimes the subject comes in middle of the predicate or after the predicate. Let's take examples and understand the position of subject. Example 1. Down the mouse ran. In this sentence, the subject is the mouse and predicate is down ran. You can see that the subject comes in between the predicate. Example 2. Down fell the mango. In this sentence, we are talking about the mango. So the mango is subject and down fell tells us something about the subject, so it is predicate. And the subject is after the predicate in this sentence. So subject comes before the predicate or it can come in between or after the predicate. Now our next topic is subject in a command, request or advice sentence. Let's take examples. Read this sentence. Wash your hands. In this sentence, the subject is not stated. It is understood. This sentence actually means you wash your hands. So in this sentence, subject is you. Let's take some more examples. Sit quietly. Change your dress. Do not talk loudly near the patient. In all these sentences, the subject is you, which is understood and not stated. This is all about today's class. And with this, we end our chapter, the subject and predicate. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.